Today we go to the apple farm. I am so very happy. Yes, it is apple picking day. I want a very big red apple. Good morning and welcome to the farm, Leo. Thank you, Mom. I cannot wait to get many sweet apples. Wow, the farm, Telly, is full of fruit. The trees, Kelly, look so beautiful.
Leo, I need to check the tractor engine now. I will finish as soon as I can.
Dad, you must work now? But the apple competition is today.
The engine is important, but it is an emergency. I will be back soon.
Okay, Dad. I will try. Dad will come back soon before the final count.
The other cats will come soon. Prepare your basket, Leo.
They are here! My neighbors are here! I am coming! Wait a second. Wow! The trees are very heavy. We are really excited. Welcome to the apple farm. Pick many sweet red apples. Hello, Leo. Thank you, guys. Welcome to the farm!
Apples are ready. Leo, remember, pick carefully.
Yay! This competition is so fun! Let's start now! Wow, the apples look so delicious! But my basket is small. Mom, how can I win?
Winning is not important, Leo. Having fun is important.
I want many red sweet apples. Leo, look. Here are some big apples. We want to share, Leo. You only think about yourselves. Pick whatever you want. I just wanted to share sweet apples. Leo, you are very rude to your friends. Say sorry now. It is okay. He is just angry. Do not be sad.
Leo, you must not say that to your friends. It is not nice.
I do not want to share my apples. Leave me alone. Picking apples is not fun. We feel very upset.
I am so sorry about Leo. When he is calm, he will say sorry. Do not worry.
I want the biggest basket. I want all the red apples. Oh, look at my sister Luna. What is she doing over there? Let me see. What a sweet red apple. What? A little pie? Green worm. Go back, Hi, to your leaf. She is so kind. Kindness is sweeter than apples. I was wrong. I was very mean. I must say sorry to my friends. but I am wrong.
It is okay, Leo. Please do not do it again. But now, you must say sorry to your friends.
Yes, I will, Mom.
Let's put this sweet apple in your basket, Leo.
I hope so. Everyone is Napa happy.
I am back. The tractor pawning is fixed.
Wait! I hear the tractor. Is Dad back? Dad, you are here. I miss you so much. We have so many sweet apples.
Is Leo
Still mad at us?
I do not know.
Welcome back, my friends. I am very sorry. I was mean to you.
It is okay, Leo. We forgive you.
Now we can eat and play. I am so happy.
You said sorry to your friends. Good job, Leo.
Thank you, everyone. Now let's make an apple tart. Yay! Apple tart, let's go! Wow! The sour and sweet taste is the best!
I am proud of you, Leo. You are a good friend.
Thank you, Dad.